Nothing.
Oh, he's screaming, boy. Just getting the shit out of me.
We at Lake Suguaro right now. Steve's gonna jump in. This is his first time here.
How high are the walls?
40 feet. You got 20-foot one.
Oh shit. God damn, dude. 40 feet?
40 feet. We'll see if you're man enough to do it. Yep, just do it. Just send it. Go ahead. Go ahead, bud. I know it's 20 feet so high, you're so scared, just go do it.
1 hour later. 2 hours later.
Come on, buddy.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Alright, I'm just gonna turn my camera off.
Adrenaline addiction, dude.
Alright, feed it. Feed your addiction right now. Steven's first cliff jump. Go ahead, feed the addiction. Scared, dude?
Yeah, I'm fucking scared.
Man, dude, YouTube's gonna see how fucking scared you are. Just jump off this baby 20-foot cliff. Go ahead.
Oh my god, dude, my heart's racing.
Why, dude? This is not that high.
The worst thing you don't. Yes!
Finally.
You're trying to get to the top all the way up there?
Yep.
What the fuck?
Up there.
Bro, how are we gonna get down if the sun's down?
There's a trail. That's not all. This is like the steepest it's gonna get.
Fuck, man. That's fucked.
Yeah, you should have climbed up where I climbed up. Bro, this is literally nothing, dude.
No.
Like, I don't know why you're putting your hands down. Look it. You know, you could just walk up it.
How are we gonna get down?
Bro, we walked down. Dude, you are literally a fucking pussy.
Dude.
Dude, pick your hands up and walk. You literally do not need to put your hands down. This is not like, pick your hands up, dude. I'm telling you, just walk.
That shit's like loose.
No, it's not. Just don't walk on like fucking straight gravel. You shaking, bro? Your legs shaking?
A little bit.
It's fucking beautiful. You're beautiful.
Why don't you jump from up here?
It's like 110 feet.
Have you seen someone jump from up here?
No, but look down.
Bro, that's fucking insane.
Yeah. Look how small the spot looks down there compared to up here. Up there to the right.
That?
Yeah.
You go through the cave?
Yeah. You go through that little cave right there.
Have you made it to the top?
Yep. No, it's easy, dude. I don't know if that was hard for you, then I don't know. Ready, boy? Let's go. I'll go first, or just walk up to that rock wall.
And then go left or right?
Climbing up that.
Climbing up that?
Once you see it's not that steep.
Bro, that's pretty high.
No, it's not. Just go, dude. I'm telling you, it's not that bad.
Climbing all the way up to the top of that wall right there.
Yes, I'm telling you, it's not steep. Just go over there and look.
Dude, I'm looking at it right now. That's pretty fucking high.
Go over there, dude. Let's go over there. Trust me. It's literally not that steep.
I'm not trying to climb straight up that fucking wall.
You'll see once you get over there. It's not that bad.
Bro, why can't we just do it normal?
I'm telling you, this is normal. This is easy. You'll see it once you get up to it. Right? Looks pretty easy, right? Doesn't it? Now that you get up to it?
I mean, there are some pretty easy pulls.
Exactly. It's easy.
Man, I don't know if I'm...
Let me go first.
I don't know if I'm feeling that, dude.
Bro, watch this. Just watch. Look how easy I do it. You ready? and then you go over to the right. There's like flat, you know. Oh, a little bird nest. Go over to the right, and then where do I go? You can try to go even more to the right. Over here, it's like kind of easy. If you want to walk up around, dude, you could. If you want to walk around, just walk up this way. All right, we're heading back down. It's getting dark. This mission's a little too spooky for Steven. Going down's kind of easy, right? Just
Honestly,
that's
this is
just
what I'm saying. I know it's easy. Like, I'm doing it. It's not hard to get down. I'm too in my fucking head about it.
yeah, just psyching yourself out.
Exactly.
I wouldn't walk down like how I am right here though, because I always slip right here. And I want to see you slip.
Huh?
Just get ready to catch yourself.
This is definitely way easier than what we were doing yesterday. That's for sure.
Yep.
But see, yesterday I wasn't in my fucking head.
So I don't understand when you say you're in your head, dude. Like, you're not even cliff jumping anymore. Why would you still be in your head?
I don't know.
Like, you just have like an elevated level of anxiety from earlier?
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know. I feel like good thing we didn't have any weed out here, because I feel like if you had weed, dude, you wouldn't want to do anything.
No shit. That's what I'm saying.
You wouldn't want to cliff jump. You wouldn't want to climb the Grand Canyon. Oh.
Oh wait, where are my shoes?
I don't wanna go unless you're going. Isolate, I'm sorry, I'm so late, I couldn't. I got plenty.
This video's gonna be fucking called Steve's a Sissy or something. Steve's a Sissy when rock climbing. Rock climbing Lake Suguaro.